Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Owl Predictor, your primary destination for deep dive technical analysis and AI-driven market forecasts. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a project that has completely redefined the intersection of artificial intelligence and blockchain infrastructure. While most platforms struggle with the massive costs of training models, this project has built a decentralized GPU network that turns idle gaming power into a global AI powerhouse. Stick around until the very end, because our AI models have just finished processing the latest 2026 data, including the massive Whirlpool expansion and the surge in decentralized inference demand. And we've identified an explosive price target for this coin during this bull run. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to support the channel and stay updated on every major AI signal. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before making any decisions in the crypto market. In the world of 2026, the demand for AI compute has reached a fever pitch. Traditional cloud providers like AWS and Azure are constantly backlogged, and the price of high-end GPUs continues to skyrocket. This GPU shortage is the biggest bottleneck for AI startups and researchers worldwide. This is exactly where Nosana dominates. Built on the high-speed Solana blockchain, Nosana is a DePIN that connects people who have idle GPUs, like gamers and miners, with developers who need that power for AI inference. In early 2026, the data shows that Nosana isn't just a test grid anymore. It has become a vital utility for the AI revolution. Nosana is a specialized GPU marketplace designed specifically for AI inference workloads. It leverages the latency and cost efficiency of Solana to provide a seamless, permissionless experience for builders. The Whirlpool expansion, launched in the first half of 2026, this update expanded Nosana's compatibility beyond NVIDIA to include AMD, Intel, and Apple Silicon. This effectively doubled the potential size of the network overnight. Inference at scale. Unlike other projects that focus on slow model training, Nosana is optimized for inference, the actual process of running an AI model. This is where 90% of the ongoing compute costs live. Sombrero Enterprise features. Scheduled for late 2026, this suite adds fiat payment ramps and team collaboration tools, making it easy for traditional tech companies to switch from expensive cloud providers to the Nosana network. The 3 million milestone. Just recently, the network crossed 3 million completed jobs and 3 million job hours, proving that decentralized compute is no longer a theory. It is a production-ready reality. What has our AI models so excited in February 2026 is how the project has successfully transitioned from an experimental phase into a dependable infrastructure layer. The grants program. Nosana has already funded over 10 major AI projects through its grants program, creating a loyal ecosystem of AI agents that rely exclusively on Nosana's GPU power. Wallet-only deployment. In early 2026, the platform introduced fully decentralized onboarding. Developers can now deploy massive AI workloads using only a Solana wallet. No credit cards, no emails, and no centralized lock-in. Global community momentum. With the team recently wrapping up a strategic offsite in Spain, the roadmap for 2026 is focused on scaling to become the default GPU layer for the entire Solana ecosystem. The NOS token is the heart of the Nosana marketplace. It isn't just a speculation tool, it is required for the network to function. Payment utility. Developers and AI teams pay for compute power using NOS. This creates a direct link between the growth of AI and the demand for the token. Staking for providers. To host their GPUs on the network and earn rewards, providers must stake NOS. This ensures they have skin in the game and provides a layer of security for the clients. Governance. The community uses NOS to vote on the grants program and the future technical direction of the GPU marketplace through the DAO. Supply mechanics. With a circulating supply of roughly 83 million out of a capped 100 million tokens, NOS has a very low inflation rate compared to many other infrastructure projects. In 2026, the tokenomics are working in favor of long-term holders. Now, let's dive into the data our AI models have been crunching. We've analyzed the 14.97% rise in value over the last 24 hours and the project's consistent resilience during the recent DePIN sector turbulence. Our models look at the compute to capital ratio. In 2026, the market is rewarding projects that solve real-world hardware shortages. As Nosana continues to onboard thousands of new GPUs through the Whirlpool update and captures a larger share of the AI inference market, our models see a significant repricing on the horizon. The AI prediction, based on the current network growth of 3 million job hours and the successful expansion into enterprise billing features, our AI predicts that Nosana could reach a target of 2.4 US during this bull run. To reach 2.4 US, NOS would be reclaiming a market cap that reflects its status as a top-tier DePIN asset. Considering that the project has already proven it can handle millions of real-world jobs and is significantly cheaper than traditional cloud giants, a 2.4 unit price represents a healthy and attainable goal for this cycle. At this price point, Nosana would be recognized as one of the essential power plants of the AI age, a target that reflects its dominance as the most efficient decentralized GPU network on the market. Nosana is proving that the most valuable resource of the 21st century, compute power, doesn't have to be controlled by a few companies in Silicon Valley. By decentralizing the cloud, they are making AI accessible, affordable, and unstoppable. Keep a close eye on the Whirlpool H1 rollout and the enterprise billing updates throughout 2026. The data is clear. The AI revolution needs hardware, and Nosana has the network. Thank you for tuning into CryptoOwl Predictor. We appreciate your support as we continue to track the most disruptive DePIN and AI-driven assets in the space.